Okay, we're back. It's been like 2 weeks since we posted a video. Figured we'd do a video on this because we haven't really touched it since I bought it. It's kind of just been sitting here, kind of depressing. So today what I think we'll do is we'll pull the stock steering wheel out, put my Nardi in, and then we'll put the Moist Boy shift knob and then my cup holder and Broadway mirror, kind of make it look like my car.
Nice in here.
Yeah, and then we need to take care of this because it's bothering me quite a bit. That surface rust right there, I need to get rid of that before it gets any worse.
It's not through, it's just like surface.
And then pull the bash bar off, and then we'll put the Silvia brackets on. And then one thing I wanted to check, I need to see what I need to order parts wise for the Silvia front, because I don't know how these lights are looking. So this one's got the bracket still, and that's fine. And then let's see this one. Yeah, okay, so
That one's missing the bracket?
yeah, so I need to order that. It's fucking
But people
broke right
3D
off.
print them, don't they?
Yeah, there's a company I found last night that sells like a 3D printed one.
That's decent.
So we could just like screw it in. Ben's been putting in work, got his engine in. Look at the cambers, man.
Yeah, you got extended lower control arms.
Looks real nice.
PC core.
So this thing rolls now, I guess, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty decent. The high-rise header is so nice. I'm very jealous.
So yeah, the boys were
This is
right.
my old motor. Parts master Ben, always putting in work.
The boys
Great
were
guy.
right. Like his paint in person is so nice.
It looks so much better than on camera.
On camera, like
Because on camera it looks so pale and boring, but like there's like quite a bit of flaking and it really pops. This looks so good. I'm jealous.
Okay.
Oh, your sock set only goes up to 16. It's a nice ass shirt, man.
so milk with me out of here. Back with my new car. I got an S13, not a 240.
The interior is so clean on this, like no cracks in the dash. He's got the elephant scrotum leather seats in here, so fucking ugly.
And doesn't
Gray
smell.
leather.
Doesn't smell bad there also. Doesn't smell like shit.
No.
It smells good.
Well, it smells like a 240. Anyone who's ever been in a 240, you know the smell. Every S13 smells the same.
The Americans.
People always
Yeah.
gump so hard about that step, like it's not that hard to do.
Yeah, they're like, you need to leave the bolt on so you don't hit yourself in the face with the steering wheel.
New wheel for Adams 180, woo.
Wow. Okay, take that dash mount thing off. It's just pissing me off. Also take out that non-Moist Boys air freshener.
Yeah, that's bad.
Because that's just obviously not going to be a quality air freshener if it's not Moist Boys.
Maybe that's why I smell like wet dog in there.
Yeah.
If you put a Moist Boys thing in there, it smell like apples and sunshine.
All right, Moist Boy shift knob install.
And then this
Comes with the adapter you need. It's metal,
How's that
not
work out
plastic.
for it?
Fucking Michelin.
First
None of that cheap shit. Just threads right on. Get her straight. And you're fucking golden,
Some
man.
like shoe glue in there to fill it up.
That's the way she goes.
It's a nice knob, man.
Yeah, no doubt.
Comment if we should start selling these Broadway mirrors.
Yeah, because we can if you guys want. We can get them.
Yeah.
And then cup holder. The Sagrets.
What do you want the hub?
Wow.
Wow.
Mods.
We'll put this on the back too.
Plate frames?
No
Moist Boys
doubt.
plate frames?
Coming soon, man. It's kind of like depressing doing this because the car doesn't run, so it's like. Well,
Alright.
figure it out though.
Yeah. Should have put that on before you put the mirror on.
That's alright. String extends, man. There we go.
Wow, that smells great.
It's mintified in here.
Look at that. Moist Boy shift knob, the plate frame, the fucking
Kind of got it going, hey?
yeah, the air freshener.
No doubt. Alright, so I managed to get the hardware off the steering wheel somehow. And Gonna fire
Pretty
this
sure
one.
the rubber thing's on backwards.
Is it? Did it already go on?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, fucker. God damn it.
Get off my property. You guys have the coronavirus. Get off. Get out. You guys all have the coronavirus. I want you off the property right now.
Man, you going scuba diving? Man, you look like the most European tourist ever.
Get the fuck off my property.
I'm gonna cough on you, man. Come here.
What are you guys doing?
Try and make this thing look less depressing.
That's gonna be hard to do.
Wow, Fiji. Are you staying in one of those, like...
Castaway Island, dude.
Is that where you walk out and all the things are floating?
No. Fiji doesn't have that. That's Tahiti. I've stayed there too.
This shit looks expensive.
I'm gonna need to get new hardware because shit's fully stripped out.
Do what you did last time.
Just fucking send it.
Are you using the same
Strip it in?
bolts again?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
Ben gave me these ones, but I think it might be too long.
I don't know if Ben gave it to you. It's definitely too long.
Let's leave it like that for now, or what? Yeah, it's too long. It already stopped. Fucker, man.
Okay, well,
That's
6
good
steering
enough.
wheel install.
Decent. Give it one last. It went on straight the first time. That's a fucking surprise.
Maybe put that on tight.
Shut up, man. Let's go
Alright,
please.
see right there.
That looks good.
Yeah.
I might buy
Decent,
one.
The
I'll buy
dilly?
one. I know, well, might. I'll buy one.
You better.
Although I like the whole can.
The whole can's cool.
I need to get hardware because all mine is stripped. But
I have extra hardware, but it's not for the deep ones. It's just for flat face varieties.
just fucking good enough.
Sick, man. Sick shift knob, though.
That's some sick anti-theft right there.
Is it in neutral, brother? Is it in fucking neutral?
If anyone has any extra, anyone watching, that gasket that goes down here,
The rubber one?
yeah, and the metal trim piece, if anyone has that, let me know, because I need one. I'm not trying
Yeah.
to pay $80 for a new one.
DM the boys. We'll buy it from you.
No doubt we will.
Okay.
Oh, it came with a free pin. Hang on.
What kind?
All day breakfast selections, man.
From where?
McDick's.
Wow.
Decent. And this bolt, stupid long. Ooh.
Is there two on each side?
Yeah. We've kind of been blowing it on like filming shit, but I took the fenders and the bumper back to my house. And I've been working on those, so I got one fully paint strip and laid some Bondo over some of the rough parts. And then I'm working on the other one right now. I had to paint strip them because they literally had like 4 layers of paint on them. So probably spray those with primer. Honestly, probably just finish them in like probably the next week or so. And then we can get the lights on. And then it'll actually look like a car again. And then we gotta sort out, I wanna pull the engine like pretty soon. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but it'd be cool to see what kind of condition the block's in. Whether it's like reusable or not. Like if we can just like hone it ourselves. Moogle moogle. Just like this thing's like not very motivating to work on because it's like do all this shit and then it doesn't run. But
Yeah.
if anyone's ever rebuilt a KA before, let us know how fucked it is. It's just tight, right? Yeah.
Doodle bob it.
Holy fuck, man. Fucking Google Moogle, man.
Wow, it looks even fucking shittier.
Looks
now.
even worse now. Fuck.
Alright.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the Silvia brackets.
Okay. Do you have the hardware for them? Okay.
Looks worse than before, man.
Oh shit.
Got the Silvia brackets on. Now we're just gonna wire wheel that. Spray some primer on it real quick, and then some white paint. Get rid of that. Someone just
What's
killed
that
their
sound?
camel.
Holy fuck. Wait,
what
I wonder if
the
you
hell?
can hear that in the video. It's like a donkey. Okay, let's get to this, man. There's a car that smells like piss. Josh.
Okay, so it's kind of a big operation to do outside right now. And it's pretty cold. So we're just gonna tarp the whole engine bay. And then when it comes time to pull the car into the shop, we'll figure it out then. So that's the end of that video. Holy fuck it. We're kind of blowing it lately, man.
I'll do 6.861 in a second.
Yeah, okay. More rust repair on the 8.6.
Yay.
Interesting content. I'm gonna get the tarp.
That's good. Alright, finish this off.
Okay, now we're just gonna leave this here and forget about it.
Never work on this car again.
That was a sick video.
Sell it.
This can't even be a video. This is not enough for a video. Fuck, man.
Ben, think of something.
Yeah, Ben, think of a question. Man, Adam, I'm not posting this, man. This is shit.
What's your favorite type of?
Shut up, man.
It's gonna be 2 minutes
I
long.
don't care what you say.
Favorite type of sushi.
No.
I like the hot dog
Sushi
one.
would be good. But favorite type of
The burger
sapling,
one.
like tree.
You're fucking weird.
Well, that's just
bro.
any tree.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
Favorite
sushi
kind
has
of
different
tree?
varieties.
That's
But
okay.
what's your favorite tree in the sapling stage?
in the
of life?
sapling stage. Yeah, like what's your favorite like young tree?
Okay, well,
like
what's
if you were
yours,
to
Ben?
pick a young tree, what would it be?
Sound like a bit of a tree pedo.
Yeah, what's yours?
A willow.
A weeping willow?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was a weird question.
Alright, comment your favorite sapling. Also, like the video. Comment something positive to make Noah feel good about his blown car.
This thing's fucking depressing, man.
Alright.
Oh.
Skidoo.